Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing Bitcoin versus the US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So, on Bitcoin, I still think this is actually a trend right here, and it is most likely a wave A. I think this move up right here is most likely going to be a correction to that move down, which I think is a wave B. And I do believe eventually it is going to go down and make a wave C, going down all the way probably to around the $8,000 to $12,000 area. Now, it definitely doesn't have to turn at this 38. I actually think it may be more likely that it goes up to one of these higher fibs around the $48,000 to $42,000 area to finish off this wave B. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can see a nice series of higher highs, higher lows here for wave A. 1, 2, 3 waves down for wave B. Now we are sitting right at a Fibonacci level right here, but I definitely don't see any reason to think this is over, and I do think there is a good chance that it will break out of this 38% and go up to either the 50% or possibly even the 61.8 to finish off this wave B. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, it looks to me like a 1, a 2, and this is probably actually all a wave 3. What most important thing to see is that we for sure don't have any break of structure to the downside, as you can see. Now, we do have a Fibonacci bounce, but there's no break of structure down, so for me, I am for sure still looking for longs. Like I said, I think there is a good chance that it could break out of this 38% and go up to at least the $42,000 to $48,000 area, depending on which Fibonacci level it decides to respect. So taking it down to that 4 hour time frame, definitely a very slow drift sideways, but as you can see, even on the 4 hour time frame, it is for sure continuing to make higher lows, so it is definitely still trending up. And unless it goes down and makes a significant break of structure to the downside like that, I would for sure continue to look for longs. Now, if it does make another Fibonacci bounce and then go down and break structure, I would definitely start looking for shorts. But until something like that happens, I am for sure looking for longs at the end of ABC pullbacks. So taking it right down to that 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, you can even see on this time frame that we're still making higher lows, higher lows. It looks to me like a trend. High, low, high, low, high. I am for sure still looking for longs in an uptrend. I expect it to go up, at least retest this level. And like I was saying, it very easily could even break out of that level and just keep on trending up. So I am looking for pullback entries. I am looking to go long still, at least until I get a significant break of structure on the 4 hour time frame and up. I am for sure looking for longs on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.